Yes, good evening, everyone. I hope you are able to hear me and you are able to
Yes,
watch
sir.
my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Myself,
Yes. Good evening.
myself, this is Chandra. I am from RTL Online Trainings and Placements. I take care of the complete Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM functional training and placements. So we are providing the trainings in online as well as the placements also. So I request you to attend all these 3 demo sessions so that you will get an idea about the technology and also what exactly we are teaching, whether you are able to understand this or not. This. So we are going to have 3 demo sessions. So this one today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. And from Thursday onwards, the regular sessions will be started. Thursday onwards, regular sessions will be started. Okay. So we start right from the basics. So today, maximum we'll discuss the cloud, what is ERPs, why we required, why the companies are looking for ERP applications right now, and how about the AI impact in this course? How about the job opportunities? What are all the companies are going to recruit this cloud applications consultants? And who are the customers who are using this product the real time? This is all we are going to discuss, and how we are going to train the students, make sure that they are eligible for applying for the jobs and clearing for the interviews and all here. So from 6th onwards, there will be regular sessions, and it takes complete 2.5 months. It means like around 50 working hours, maybe 2-3 hours more or less, doesn't matter. It will be more, obviously. Okay, so that's all. So we are established in 2011. It's more than 15 years. We are into the same Oracle technologies. We are exclusively for Oracle technologies. Okay, and the subscribers, whoever are there, 45,000 K subscribers, we are completely into Oracle, purely Oracle. And myself, I have total 18 years of experience in this technologies. You can also go through my quality of the training earlier. There's all places you can check it here. Okay. And you can see the quality of content, what we are providing here since 2012. You can find. Okay. Yeah. So let me take this. Nowadays, every customer is talking about cloud. Everyone is talking about cloud. So we should be very clear what is cloud. What is cloud? And what are the different cloud companies we have in the market? What are the different cloud companies we have in the market? Because if any client says that I want to use the cloud, okay, then we should know who are providing that services, right? Cloud services. And then what is Oracle Cloud? What is Oracle Cloud? What are the Oracle products? What are the Oracle Cloud products we have? Products and tools we have. What is ERP application? What is ERP? People are joining now. Okay, what is ERP? What is Cloud ERP? Cloud ERP application. And what are different domains we have in Cloud ERP? And what is Oracle Fusion HCM? What is Oracle Fusion HCM? What are the modules we have in this? and what are the modules we have to learn. What are the modules we have to learn? And what are the jobs we have? What are the jobs we have? And what are all the jobs we are going to apply? Different jobs we are going to apply. Here it is. So this is all we are going to discuss. Yeah. So that we will be very clear right from the basics now. Now, what is cloud? So cloud is nothing but a virtual server, which is having high configuration capability and maintain the high-end security and all. That's what we call it as this. It's a virtual server. It's a virtual server. For example, let's say one of your client is there, Reliance Digital we have. Reliance Digital we have. So this Reliance Digital is having around, let's say, 100 branches in India. They have 100 branches in India, right? In every branch, around 10 employees are working. So that what happened? Every branch, 10 employees are working. 100 branches means how many employees will be working here? 1,000 employees are going to work. 1,000 employees are working. All these 1,000 employees every day they come to office. They sell the goods to customers, right? They sell the goods to customers. Sales. They also purchase the goods from the suppliers. They receive the items. They issue the items. They maintain supplier data. They maintain items data. They maintain customers data. They maintain employees data. And they maintain their cash transactions, whatever the transactions are happening day to day. Every day nowadays, every day some thousands of transactions are happening in every branch. In every branch, some thousands of transactions are happening. All this data your client should maintain in a proper manner. Then only they can easily analyze their business. Otherwise, they cannot. It's not possible. It's not possible. You have to maintain all this information in a proper format. In a proper format. Then only you will be able to analyze. Otherwise, you will not be able to analyze the data. For that, the clients will be using some softwares. Okay, some softwares. They might be using some .NET applications. They might be using some Java applications. They might be using some web applications. Okay, and Salesforce or some SAP or Oracle, like this, they will be using the softwares, right? This all. These all the clients are using so far in the on premises. On premises, nothing but the client will maintain the server. Client will have the dedicated server. Client will have the server room. There only they are going to maintain all this information. Every client will maintain their own server. They recruit the DBS. They recruit the administrators. They go ahead with, they recruit the DBAs. They recruit the technical people. They recruit the functional people. They recruit the network candidates, network engineers. They go ahead with administrators. They go ahead with the security developers. Entire team, IT team, they have to have. Otherwise, you cannot maintain your IT infrastructure. You cannot maintain your IT infrastructure because you are taking care of the complete hardware, software, everything. Definitely, you need to have the team. This is what actually the traditional IT infrastructure maintenance for every client since 1990. Since 1990. But last 10 years, this data, whatever you are going to maintain, is going to be huge information, right from the security to top level director. You have to maintain everything is digitalized. The clients are looking for completely digitalized. They don't want anything in offline. They don't want to see anything on the paper. They don't want to see anything on the document. Everything has to be maintained in a proper format by using the softwares. By using the softwares. Clients started using multiple applications to maintain this business data, day-to-day transactions. Millions of transactions are going to happen across their branches. Okay. Now, so 10 years back, what the companies has thought is it's very difficult for the customers to maintain their information. So why don't we go ahead with, providing these servers? Then the cloud concept has came into the picture. Then the cloud concept has came into the picture. So what is meant by cloud? Cloud is nothing but a virtual server. Cloud is nothing but a virtual server here. It is a virtual server. Cloud is nothing but a virtual server. If any client is going to use the softwares to maintain their day-to-day business transactions, instead of using these applications, in their servers, they can go ahead with, maintaining all this information in the information. Here it is. People are joining. 1 minute. Sorry. Yeah. So now the companies has thought is it's very difficult for because the client business is different. They are selling some electronic and home appliances to the customers, and they take care of their financials data and they provide the loans to customers, collections, repair, service, promotions, branding value, feedback. That is their business. But this is going to be again headache for the client to maintain all this IT infrastructure. That's why the big companies has thought, software companies, top companies has thought, why don't we maintain a data centers and we will ask all the customers to keep their infrastructure in our data centers. There, the cloud idea has came. The cloud idea has started there only in 2012, 13, 14. That time it has started. Initially, clients was not that much interested, but by 2020, almost every client has started using the cloud either partially or fully. Okay, but going forward, it's mandatory. I'll tell you why it is mandatory also. Next level. Okay. So if any now what is meant by cloud? Cloud is nothing but a virtual server. So what is the advantage of this? Your cloud company will tell to the customer why you maintain your own server. I have the servers. I have high-end servers established in data centers. Why don't you use our servers on rental basis? You can save 70% of your cost. Your IT infrastructure cost, you can save 70%. For example, if I am using some server which is cost of around 2 crores to maintain all my day-to-day business data, then instead of that, I can just pay per year some 10 lakhs. Yearly, I can pay 10 lakhs. I can use this cloud. Means indirectly, I can use the cloud company servers. How I will connect to that company servers? Who are providing that information? Who are providing the servers for rental? Microsoft, Azure, AWS, Amazon Web Services, GCP, Provider, Google Cloud Provider, GCP. Okay, and then Oracle Cloud, and then we have Oracle Cloud. So these are the major companies. These are the major companies who are providing this cloud services to the customers. Who are providing this cloud services to the customers. If any customer says that it's very difficult for me to maintain all my IT information applications, okay. So what I need is I just wanted to use the cloud. I want to use the cloud. Then they can move into the cloud environment of any of these companies. There are some small clients also, small customers who are providing the cloud options, but majorly across the world, large scale industries will definitely prefer these four companies who are providing the cloud option in the market. So now you are clear what is cloud? Indirectly virtual servers providing the services to the customers to maintain their entire software in their servers. Who are providing this cloud services? Who are providing this cloud services? Who are different? What are different companies? Microsoft company is giving. We are calling it as Azure, and Amazon is providing AWS, Amazon Web Services. Google also is providing Google Cloud Provider. Oracle also is providing Oracle Cloud. Earlier, generally, Oracle means it's a database company, right? We know Oracle company since 40 years, okay, more than 40 years. Oracle is a just database company. But last 10 years, Oracle is a full-fledged cloud plus artificial intelligence data providers. It's a very big competitors for remaining three. If you have some time, you know, if you have some time, you can just go to the website, Oracle. When you are typing oracle.com itself, you can see that Oracle Cloud Applications and Cloud Platform. So Oracle is not only just database, it's having the complete cloud options, including artificial intelligence, one of the largest AI data center. One of the largest AI data center Oracle is building in US, Texas, with the help of the technology NVIDIA and OpenAI. You know, right? So both are main companies in AI infrastructures nowadays. Okay. So Oracle is investing a lot of money in this data centers. What Oracle is telling, all my clients should use the AI. You take any product or tool from Oracle, it's AI enabled. Whether you want to use the AI or not, it is up to the customer. Doesn't matter. But whatever the products or tools or services you are getting from Oracle going forward, everything is AI enabled services. Everything has got the integration with AI. Okay. So Oracle is dominating completely, remaining three in the database centers as well as data centers and also in the AI data centers. Okay. Yeah. So these are the different companies. What these companies are doing is they established data centers across the world. Across the world. Why they have to establish the across the world? They can establish data centers and keep their servers in single place, right? Why do they need to establish? Oracle established data centers in 42 countries. GCP 48. Amazon, I think 41. Azure 47. 47 countries. They have established data centers. Why it is required? Why we have to establish in every country or every region this data centers is basically what is data center? Data center is having high-end servers, high-end configuration servers, which are completely cloud enabled with artificial intelligence and the latest technologies will be available over there. Now, client no need to worry about their servers. They can shut down their server and they can lift complete their IT software applications and move into this cloud environment, start using it. This company will take care of your servers. 24 by 7, this company will provide you. Your applications are running through cloud means you don't need to worry about it. Never down. Never. And if you don't want to use that application, you can switch off. There are some plans in the cloud also, yearly plan, quarterly plan, usage plan. Usage means how much usage you are doing, based on that only you will pay the bill for them. It's on rental basis. It's purely, if we speak in our layman language, why you will buy the server by investing 2 crores or 3 crores? Why don't you just go for take our servers on rental and pay every year? If you feel comfortable, continue. Otherwise, you can switch easily from one cloud to another cloud. So that is always better for the clients, right? And also it is a ready-made. Your server is ready already. If you pay the amount today, within 24 hours, you will get a credentials. Your employees will get credentials. Whoever is working in your company, all they come every day, they come to office, your office, and I will give you the logins like this, connect to my server and start using your applications. No need to worry whether your system, local system is working or not, your server, your IP address issues, any hacking issues, security, everything our cloud company will take care. That is the responsibility of cloud company. It means client is completely free. They can concentrate on their business. Point number one. Point number two, 70% of IT cost is going to be decreased. And the major advantage is always your applications will be up to date. If any new version comes, automatically it will upgrade. You don't need to go do the upgradation. Within hours, it will automatically get upgraded. Right. Nowadays, we know that if you buy some product, every 6 months or 1 year, it will be updated. Not only the product. Let's say you buy a mobile. In your mobile, you will be receiving notifications regarding software updates, right? So if you mention that update that information, then you will be able to provide here it is, right? That's how it is going to work. That is about the cloud companies, what they are doing. Data centers they have established across the world. Okay. So why we required in every country data center is, for example, let's say your company sales executive will go to Singapore client saying that I have a data center in US or in India. But your client business is completely there in Singapore. Yes, they can connect from Singapore also. If you have an internet and your data center is there anywhere, you can easily connect, no problem. You can connect, no problem. That's not an issue. If you have an internet, your data center may be in Europe countries, no problem. You can connect. Okay, only thing is you need a best in bandwidth internet, right? But customer will expect, make sure that the data is available in my country. Let's say ICICI Bank is there, India. Their complete operations are happening in India. Okay, their complete operations are happening in India. Right. So the complete infrastructure they expect. If you have a data center in India, I'm interested to use your cloud. I'm interested to use your data centers or your servers, whatever is there. Okay. So in that scenario, obviously, we need to maintain the data centers in multiple regions and multiple countries. Multiple regions and multiple countries we have to maintain here it is. Okay. Yeah. It's clear everybody what is cloud? What are different cloud companies we have? Why they established the data centers across the world in multiple countries, multiple regions, and what is the reason behind that and the advantage of this cloud options. Anyone is having doubts, please. It looks like someone raised some doubt, please. If you have small doubt, also ask me, please. Okay. Next, what is Oracle Cloud? So obviously Oracle Cloud means indirectly Oracle data centers. Whoever is having the data centers, if anybody wanted to use this Oracle servers, they can communicate with Oracle company and take the license first. Oracle Cloud. You have to take the cloud license. That will be nominal. Minimum fees will be there, cloud license. Inside of the cloud, so if you tell to your client saying that we are providing the servers through data centers, excellent high-end configuration servers, okay, it is secured and everything, if you provide that, the customer can ask you, I have no issues to maintain the server, but In your cloud, if there are some good tools or products or any services you have, then I'm interested to move my IT into your cloud, into your servers. That's why the cloud companies are not only just giving the servers and rental to the customers, they are providing the good tools and products in the cloud also. It's not only just empty servers. It's not only the just servers also. It's completely providing the tools as well as the products also, different tools and products. What are the different tools and products are available in Oracle Cloud? Okay. Now Microsoft also has got tools and products in the Azure. AWS also has got some tools. Google also has got some tools. Oracle has got excellent tools compared to remaining three. Oracle has got excellent tools. What are that? They have number one, Oracle database is there, and they have Apex form development, means web development page. This is one of the tool for development of the forms. And they have Oracle EBS, ERP, old ERP application. They have NetSuite ERP. They have NetSuite ERP. They have Fusion ERP application. They have Fusion ERP application. They have OAC, Oracle Analytics Cloud tool. They have BI reporting tools, and AI Agent Studio is there for development of the AI agents. AI Agent Studio is one of the excellent. VBCS is there. It's one of the form development tool. And they got OIC, Oracle Integration Cloud integration tool. Excellent integration tool. Earlier, there was a competition for this tool like MuleSoft, Delboomi, and there were some tools which are competitor, but now it has got stabilized. It's got very good. It's got very good here. Okay. So these are the different tools and products are available in the Oracle. It's up to the customers what tools they want to use, what tools they want to use and what tools they don't want to use. Here it is. Okay. So some customer says that no, I don't want to use any tools and products from your end. I just need your server. I will go for lift all my applications from my server into cloud. I will shift to cloud and I have excellent tools and applications. I will start using that. Okay, I'll start using that. I don't want to go ahead with this, options. I wanted to go for use my applications. Here it is. That's also possible. Some customers will use the tools, some customers will not use the tools. So the advantage in the cloud tools are you can first subscribe for quarterly, and if you feel that yes, the tool is good, performing well, and it will be helpful for my business, then you can extend. Then you can extend. It's up to your requirement. That is the major advantage. You don't need to install anything and you don't need to worry about the server supporting and other options. Everything will be taken care by the cloud companies. They will provide the complete structure. Everything is automation. Through that, you can get it. Here it is. Yeah. So that's about different tools and products for Oracle. Any doubts here?
No, sir, it's clear, sir.
Yeah. Next. Now we are talking about this tool, this package or application. We are talking about this particular product, Fusion ERP product. Now we are talking about this. Remaining things we are not going to learn. Okay. And we are talking about this Fusion application. So what is Oracle Cloud? Indirectly Oracle servers. Indirectly Oracle servers, which are there in the data centers, which are there available in the data centers. How Oracle will give the access to this data centers? Through internet only. They provide you the URL and they will give you access. Okay. It's as simple as, for example, you are going to YouTube and where these videos are stored, I'm able to search some information here and I'm able to open these videos. Means I'm able to access the content, maybe data or videos or images, whatever it is. Okay. This all information you are going to get through internet only, right? Just you have to enter your URL and you have to enter your credentials here, right? You have to enter your credentials and then start accessing. We don't know where this YouTube is maintained, this all data. It's there in the servers. We know that it is available in the servers because if the content is available in the server, then only we can access whenever we want and whatever we want. Depends on the access, right? So this is all we can say that the data centers are established somewhere in the world. We don't, maybe in US or UK or Europe. We do not know anywhere. Okay. So that's how they will provide through internet only. The clients also will access the application. Clients also will access the application. Here it is. This. Now we are talking about what is ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. Here it is. Enterprise Resource Planning. If you are if you are having some enterprise, nothing but a company, if you have some company, okay, and if you want to maintain your company resource information properly, okay, top maintain all this information properly. Resources means indirectly your company employees, company customers, company suppliers, company brand value, no, company products, items, services, all these things comes. All these things comes as a ERP, your enterprise. So we have to maintain all this information properly. We call it as an ERP application, enterprise resource application. There are number of ERP applications are available in the world, but top six I will tell you. SAP is number one ERP, Oracle Fusion applications, PeopleSoft old ERP, JD Edwards old ERP, Siebel old ERP, Workday new ERP, Salesforce new ERP, Microsoft Dynamics new ERP, and Oracle EBS also is old ERP. Oracle EBS also is old ERP. Oracle itself has got 5 top ERPs. Oracle itself, they got 5 ERP products. Okay. Now the latest is Fusion applications. These all are old. Acquired. Oracle acquired all these companies in 2004. In 2004, Oracle acquired all these companies, these ERP companies. Now in the market, if any customer says that I want to use ERP software to maintain my day-to-day accounting information, sales information, procurement information, employees, all the information related to my company, I need one software, one ERP product. Then they have to go for either SAP or they have to go for Fusion applications, Oracle Fusion applications, ERP, or Workday, or Salesforce, or Microsoft Dynamics. These are the top ERP companies available here. It is clear, everyone, what is ERP and what are different ERP applications are available in the market? Any doubts?
Hello, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Please go ahead.
Sir, there are many types of Oracle Fusion types like ERP, SCM, and SCM management. What difference in between ERP, SCM,
That
and
is our next
SCM?
topic. That
Sorry.
is our next topic.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Next. So what is cloud ERP? So you may think that Oracle is already having four ERP applications. Then why they developed new ERP application called Fusion? Because Oracle has got their own ERP software since 1994. Since 1994, they have ERP, and they acquired in 2004 three ERP applications. Okay, so you may get some doubt when last 2004 means 20 years back. Already four ERP softwares are there, excellent products across the world. Thousands of customers are using these ERP applications. Then why? Why Oracle has developed the new ERP right from the scratch when they started developing in 2015? Initially, we didn't get much response in 2015, but 2020 onwards, excellent response from the customers. Okay, so why Oracle has developed this Fusion Applications ERP software right from the scratches? Nowadays, if you go to customer and if you tell them that myself so and so, I'm from so and so software company, we developed this ERP software. Why don't you use this ERP software to maintain all your business data, day-to-day transactions and all? Once you introduce about your product to the customers are asking first, is your ERP application is cloud compatible or not? Is your ERP can be accessible from the cloud? Cloud means through internet, I should be in a position to access anywhere. My employees will be able to access this application from anywhere in the world. They don't need to install any software. They don't need to connect to any third party straight away. They just log in and they enter here and enter the credentials and then go ahead with the login, start working. That they wanted to do that here. Just 1 minute, guys. The client the client wanted to maintain all this information in a single software. Right. They can just have an internet and they can go for connect here. They can go for connect here it is. That's all. That's all. So cloud enabled ERP or not. Next. Is your ERP is having mobility? What is mean by mobility? Their employees wanted to access your application from the desktop, from the smartphones and tab piece. You might have seen if you go for some restaurant, there will be waiters who take the order from you. They will be using the tab piece, right? Immediately they will take our order and confirm it. If you go to reception, they also use the software. They will be using the desktop. If you take some outside people, they just use smartphones. Okay. They'll be using the application and perform the business data. It means the client says that your application should be compatible for all the three. Sometimes I'll open in desktop. Sometimes I'll open it in mobile app. Sometimes I will open it in tab piece. It should be available in all these three. In all these three, it should be available. That's what we call it as mobility. Is your ERP is having mobility or not? Next, analytics. Earlier analysis is there. It is important. What is meant by analysis and what is meant by analytics? Analysis is nothing but if your client comes to know that what is my business last quarter, what is my business in the last year, and I wanted to know these all details, yes, then they can go ahead information, here it is. Then we can go ahead, the information over here it is. Okay. But analytics is nothing but analysis is okay. What is my sales in the last week in a particular branch? or particular department, what is my expenses and all. But I need analysis. What will be my business in the next quarter? Where I can land in the profit and loss report. In the next year, what will be my business? If I want to analyze the next, means if I want to analyze the future, I have to dig last 3 years data, 4 years data, 1 year data, 10 years data. I need to dig it, right? I have to store, use information and analyze, and then I have to take up that, right? Then I have to take up that, right? That's where the things comes into the picture. That's where the things comes into the picture. It is. Okay. And that's why the companies are looking for not only the analysis, they are also looking for analytics. They're also looking for analytics. Here it is. Next. And the clients are looking for easy integrations. Your product should be very easy to integrate with any application, especially social sites. Especially social sites. It should be very easy. Then only you can easily exchange the data. We can easily exchange the data from one application to another application. We can easily exchange the data between the applications. Right. That's easy integration is required. Now another one is AI enabled. The client says that I don't know where I need AI agents, but your application architecture should support for development and maintenance of this AI agents. So why I required agent? Why the artificial intelligence is required for the customers is at any point of time they wanted to have the quick access to the information. Earlier what happened, if you want some information, we need to run the reports. But the information is required in different formats, different filtering options and all. Yes, then you have to go with agents that will access that information in a easier manner, in a intelligence way you will be able to access, right? So that's what AI enabled. So this your ERP should have all these options nowadays. Nowadays the clients is asking, does your ERP is having all these features or not? If your ERP is having all this, if your ERP is having all this, then it is fine. I'm ready to sit and see the demo. And if everything is fine, I'm ready to go ahead with that. Okay. But this old ERPs, whatever Oracle is having, you cannot implement 100% all these features because this architecture, it won't support either frame or front-end application, integration, middleware or back-end database. It won't support. It won't support. Okay. So obviously you have to go with the new one. That's why Oracle has developed the new ERP software called Fusion Applications. They call it as a next generation ERP. This is the next generation ERP. Oracle Fusion Applications is the next generation ERP application. Yeah. Is clear everybody? What is ERP application? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise means companies. Maybe it is telecom company, hospitals, textile, banking. It may be a manufacturing sector, education sector, like this. If they want to maintain their information properly, they use the ERP softwares, different ERP applications. And of course, Oracle and SAP is the big competitors in SAP in the ERP market always. Remaining Workday, Salesforce, and Dynamics is okay. Not much, competitors for our compared to SAP and Oracle. Compared to SAP and Oracle. So always SAP is our competitor here. Okay. So cloud ERP means you don't need to install in your software. in your laptop or in your servers. Directly you can access through internet. It is a cloud-based ERP completely. What are different domains we will have in the ERP application? Generally, you take any ERP, not only Fusion applications, okay, not only Oracle Fusion applications ERP, any ERP, there will be a finance domain. We call it as a financials. There will be a supply chain management. There will be a human capital management. There will be a CRM, customer relationship management, project portfolio management, a recruitment cloud, recruiting, ORC, okay? And then there will be other domains, public modules, and student domain also, there will be a different. So any ERP, if you take SAP, SAP Finance, SAP Supply Chain, SAP HCM, SAP CRM. If you combine all these modules, then you will call it as a ERP software. Then you will call it as a ERP. Otherwise, you don't call it as ERP. You have seen something called Tally, right? There is a Tally. So Tally is one of excellent product to maintain the accounts. Okay, to maintain the accounts. But in the Tally, you cannot maintain the procurement information full-fledged. You cannot maintain the employee's life cycle, like employee data, employee salaries, employee leaves, like that. You cannot maintain, right? You cannot maintain. You don't have. It means Tally is not a full-fledged ERP software. When you will say that, yes, this software is ERP software, how can you say that? If that software is having finance modules, supply modules, HR modules, CRM modules, PPM modules, recruiting modules, public domains, students, education, universities. If all these modules are there, yes, this is one of the biggest ERP product available. One of the biggest product available. That's what we can say that here. That's what we can say. Okay. So we cannot call Tally is full-fledged ERP. We'll say accounting software. Tally is one of the accounting software. But if I want to maintain my sales data, maybe few things we can maintain, but there will be a complexity, right? Obviously, we required that. Yes. So that time we can call it as these are the different domains. It is any ERP, we will see that. So in Fusion applications also, we have Fusion financials, we have Fusion supply chain. These all are parts of ERP application. Within the ERP, these all are different domains. These all are different domains within the ERP. Within the ERP. When you combine all these modules, then only you will call it as ERP application. If some client says that, no, I'm not maintaining HR data, my software is having only finance and supply, no, I cannot say that your software is ERP. It is one of the financial accounting software or supply accounting software, not more than that. That's what I can say. It's clear now, everybody? Next. Now, in these domains, if some people will learn the financials, people who are interested in accounting side, they learn the financials. People who are from procurement, sales, marketing side, they learn supply chain management. HR people will learn the HCM. But CRM, PPM and all not much openings. Mainly we find openings in three domains: finance, supply chain management, human capital management. Mainly in these three. Mainly in these three. It doesn't mean that, okay, I have done MBA finance, do I need to learn the HCM or finance? You can learn HCM also. By end of the day, your interest matters. It doesn't mean that only the people who has completed MBA HR or who has worked as a HR recruiter or who has worked as USIT recruiter only should learn the HCM. No, it's not like that. Anybody can learn. In our institute last 10 years, many people BTech computer science, they learned the HCM, they learned the finance and they got placed successfully. Okay. So that's how it works. But end of the day, your importance, like, are you able to understand this or not? Are you able to learn this or not? Here it is. That is very important here. Okay. So in Oracle Fusion HCM, this is this is what we are going to learn. HCM domain. We are going to learn the HCM domain, human capital management. This. So what are the different modules, HR modules we have? Global HR is there. We call it as GHR, or we call it as a core HR also. We have payroll, global payroll. We are going to learn global payroll, US legislation we are going to learn. Options management, talent management, individual compensation. We are going to learn individual compensation. Then we have other modules like ORC is there, benefits is there, OTL time and labor is there, Oracle time and labor we have, and then we have compensation, workforce compensation we have. So these all we have, but we are not going to deal with that. We will be dealing first this 5 modules. These are the 5 modules we are going to learn. We are going to learn. Here it is. 5 modules we are going to learn. So what is the course name we are going to learn? Oracle Fusion HCM. So what is Oracle Fusion? Oracle Fusion is nothing but one of the ERP software, cloud ERP software, which has got AI enabled, complete AI and cloud. It has got different domains. Finance is there. Oracle Fusion Finance is there. Fusion all comes under the ERP. ERP is the top. Within that, finance domain, HR domain, supply domain, CRM domain, like that we have. In that, uh, one person can learn only one domain. It's not possible. If you say I will learn finance and HR, no, not possible. It's difficult. Maybe if you work for 10 years, after that you may be a strong person in multiple domains, but at this point of time, only one you can learn. You cannot go ahead more than one domain. Cannot go ahead more than one domain. Okay. So we decided to learn human capital management. Okay, what are the modules are there? 8 modules we have. Global HR, payroll, options, talent, compensation, ORC, benefits, and OTL. These are 8 modules. Out of that, we are learning 5 modules here. We are learning 5 modules here. Global HR, payroll, options management, talent management, individual compensation. ORC module, we are going to give the Udemy videos. If somebody wanted to learn ORC, but not required. Somebody wanted to learn, then yes, you can go ahead for learning. That we provide the Udemy videos. Okay, just 1 minute. Let me save this Excel sheet first. Okay, so what are the different jobs we will find in Fusion HCM? If somebody says that I'm working in Oracle Fusion HCM, definitely you will be working as a functional consultant or technical consultant. You will be working as functional or technical consultant. 2 jobs are going to be there. Maybe you are working as functional, or maybe you are working as technical consultant. Maybe you are working as functional or you are working as technical consultant. We are going to learn this course functional. Technical is separate. If you want to learn technical, you should be very clear with the SQL and PLSQL coding, that completely coding part. Here functional, zero coding. We don't find any coding in the functional. If you are going to learn functional, HCM functional, no coding, here it is. Okay, this is
Sir,
the course.
sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Sir, if we want to learn technical and functional both, because some companies are looking techno-functional consultant.
No
So
problem.
that time,
See, techno-functional means difficult to learn at a time both. What we are teaching right now from RTL is we are providing 100% functional and 30% of technical part. I'm also covering the basics of technical part. If somebody is interested and they wanted to upgrade their skills, technical side, and they want to go ahead with in depth of techno functional, they can go ahead, no problem. That is okay. That is a different course you need to learn. Okay, but we are providing completely, it is functional. When I put after the completion of this course, when I put 5 years or 6 years and apply as Oracle Fusion HCM, whatever the training I am providing, that is sufficient. If you are perfect, my training theoretically and practically, yes, you can clear the interviews when you are applying as 5 years and 6 years, 5 years or 6 years experience also. No problem. Okay. So in our RTL also, how we will provide the training is as soon as the module is completed, means as soon as the class is completed, immediately I will give you the assignment. And then I will give you the FAQ Udemy course. Means in that module, what are all the things you have to learn? Module wise, as soon as module is completed, immediately I'll give you the assignment
Okay,
and then
sir, I
provide you
have a
this.
one question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, all of this training are on the Redwood or it's on
Yes,
classes?
complete Redwood, complete Redwood.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah. So as
And
soon as payroll module is completed, your class is completed, I'll give the assignment in payroll. Immediately, I'll give the Udemy course. Then absence management class is completed. Immediately, I'll give the Udemy course where the interview questions and answers. Same thing for talent management, and also the same thing for individual compensation. This and this is how we will go ahead. After completion of our training, then I will go ahead with explanation of how you have to prepare the resume between 0 to 6 years. Some people will be applying as a fresher. Some people will be applying as 2 plus, 3 plus, 5 plus, 6 years of experience. Right. How you have to prepare your profile from fresher to 6 years. Okay. The advantage with RTL is we are mainly into the trainings and placements also. This is very
Can
important.
you please elaborate a bit more about payroll module? I want to know like the complete there will be complete cycle included in this course.
Yes. Payroll detailed syllabus. Tomorrow class you can see that. Tomorrow class I will be explaining the detailed syllabus copy. You will be more clear about that tomorrow.
Sir, can I also know about any support you're providing for certifications also?
Yeah, we provide the certification support. If somebody wanted to do the certifications, we do that. If you
And
are
and
applying,
after this,
if you are applying for a job in India, generally we recommend no need certification because for one module, Oracle will charge 28,000, including GST, they charge 28,000, I think so. Okay. So in India, generally certification doesn't matter. But when you are applying in abroad, other countries, yes, it is very important. But our training will include the certification also. You can
Hello.
complete. Yeah.
Will you cover fast formulas as you told there is a
Yes.
0% coding. So
Yes.
in fast formula coding is required. So
Yes.
absence and payroll.
First formulas I will cover as a functional consultant, whatever is required. Generally, first formulas will be written by the technical consultant, but as a functional consultant, when the requirement comes from my client, I need to analyze whether this requirement can be achieved through formula or not. And then I need to give the same assignment to the technical team. And then once that is done, as a functional person, we are supposed to test it, right? Whether it's working or not with multiple scenarios. That's why we are going to learn that couple of formulas from options management, couple of formulas from payroll module.
And what about AI? What features will you cover in the AI?
Yes, AI also. Tomorrow you will be more clear about that. Tomorrow we will be discussing the detailed syllabus copy, topic wise, module wise, topic wise. I will go for explain it. Payroll module, what are all the things we discuss? Options module, what we discuss? Talent module, what we discuss? Technically, what we discuss? Redwood AI. This all we will be discussing tomorrow. Yeah.
This
So
will be
once
1 hour class, 1 hour
1
class
hour.
daily.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
1 hour, 7 to 8, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay. So once the
Every class
course,
is recorded,
yes, every class will be recorded and we will share
available
you,
available for candidate.
yes, we will share you
Okay.
we will share you this through Google Drive. You can
Okay,
always
sir,
download.
what's the process? I have a one question. What is the process of joining this class completely?
Yeah,
And
you
can
can
you also
contact.
tell?
Let me complete today's session. We have two
Okay.
more demo sessions because it is little bit disturbance in between. End of the session, we'll discuss. Yeah. So we were talking about how we are conducting from the RTL. As I said, RTL is not only just providing the training. We are mainly into the placements also. We give the importance, more importance or equal importance like training and placement also. Because if you just take the training, there is no use, right? When you don't know how to prepare your profile, when you are not clear what profile you have kept it in Naukri or in job portals, when you are not able to explain what exactly you have done, then there won't be any usage, right? There won't be any use. That's why as soon as the training is completed, we will be discussing one to one. One to one. Okay. You are working in marketing department last 9 years and you left the company 1 year back. How you have to prepare the resume? Okay, put first 6 years marketing as it is, and last 4 years put HCM, 4 projects. First 2 projects, support projects, because you started your career from non-IT to IT, support projects initially. Then last 2 projects, implementation. Current project is implementation and support. So and so client, that client is doing this business. Like that, one to one, we will be explaining you last 3 sessions purely for resume preparation, interview preparation, how you are to attend for the interviews and all here. That's what we are going to do. This is very important. The training part, if you want to some topic you are not clear, you can get a number of videos in the YouTube and everything, everywhere we can find. Okay. If any of the complex task is there, you are not clear with my training, yes, you can search the same topic in YouTube also. You can get it some good professionals like me and we can learn. But who will prepare your resume? Who will guide you? Who will guide you to go ahead for the interviews? And consultants, people are asking how many implementations you have done, what is your team size, to whom you are reporting, what is your day-to-day responsibility. When your client is doing this, how many legal entities they have, which legislation you implemented. For that legislation, what are the statutory rules and regulations? These are all questions we should be very clear and very important this one. So that we are going to have end of the course. This is very, very important. Resume preparation and interview preparation, this we are following. Means we wanted to make it as full-fledged. If you look at our previous batches, whatever we have done, we wanted to make it full-fledged. Resume preparation, interview preparation, corresponding documents and clients, interview questions and all. Here it is. Project discussions. This all we are going to have because that is very important. As I said, Udemy FAQ courses. Once you learn the module, what are the main topics we have to concentrate? At the same time, how you are supposed to explain the answer to the interviewer. For example, the question they'll ask you, what is the meaning of work relationship? Or what is mean by work relationship? Work relationship is nothing but a relationship between the employee and company. Maybe you are a permanent employee or contract employee or non-employee. Like that, different types of relationship will be there. But we should not use the word called employee and company. We have to use the word called worker and legal employer. The relationship between the worker and legal employer, we call it as work relationship. Okay. So the type of functional words we have to use in the interviews. Then they feel that you are an experienced consultant. You are an experienced consultant. Okay. These all tips module wise I will be preparing in this course. Already I have published. Other institution students, they have to buy this. Okay. Our RTL people are going to get free of cost. Yes. You can search in Udemy, Oracle Fusion FAQs. Here we can find global HR options, even payroll, and all modules I have already prepared here. Assignments, which as well as all this we have. So other institution students, they have to pay this money. They have to buy it around 800 rupees. That is every course. There will be 5 courses. Okay. For RTL people, they will be getting free of cost as soon as the module is completed. Okay, so we need to have full-fledged. When we join some course, yes, we should have some full-fledged. When you are able to complete this assignment means you got a confidence level, yes, I can do that. Here it is. And after completion of this training, yes, definitely we'll go with the resume preparations and all interview questions. If somebody says that we are not able to clear the interviews, we are looking for the prompting or proxy, yes, you can communicate with our admin. They will explain you that process also. Okay, this is the admin number. Okay, for enrollment related anything. Subject, resume preparation, interview preparation, what is current market, how we have to prepare everything, I'll take care. And what is the process and what is the fee and all, the admin person will take care. Anyway, this is our first demo. This is our first demo. We have done 1 hour complete without any practical, complete theoretical part we have discussed just now. Okay, we have discussed what is cloud, what are different cloud companies are available in the market, why the clients are looking for the cloud nowadays, what is Oracle Cloud, different products and tools available in the market in the Oracle Cloud, and out of that, what is meant by Fusion applications? What is Oracle Fusion? It is one of the ERP product. Any ERP product will find different domains, finance domain, supply chain, or human capital, but we can learn only one. We cannot learn multiple. So we decided to learn HCM, okay, human capital. Who are the competitors in the market for Oracle? So we can say one and only, that is SAP. No other ERPs, no way competitors that. Okay. And how many modules are there in human capital management? Total 8 modules. We are going to learn 5 modules. That 5 we are going to learn. And then which course we are going to learn? Is it functional or technical? Functional. It's end-to-end functional consultant. And when we are applying as a functional with 4 years, 5 years, 6 years experienced, definitely they expect some technical knowledge. You cannot say that I don't know how to build a report in HCM, but I'm working in HCM since 5 years. We have a technical team also. It doesn't look sense, right? When you apply as experienced, you have to say that I know how to build the reports. I have done couple of reports, but not the complex one because technical team was there. They used to do that, but I'm having clear idea. This is how we do the report. This is how we provide the security. This is how we deploy the report. This is how we test the report and schedule the report. This is all we are going to learn as technically here. Either report development, data migrations, data extractions, and Redwood and artificial intelligence. This is all we are going to learn. Okay. So that's about the first demo what we have discussed with the different topics. I thought of
So
will take
how
at
long
least
will have access to these videos?
videos you can download directly, no problem. You will
Yeah.
have the
Okay.
complete download access, right click and download, lifelong you will have the right. You can
Okay.
always keep it
And
anywhere.
ORC Udemy videos, are you going to provide it for free of cost or should we
Yes,
pay?
we will provide free of cost.
Okay, so
So
is that,
ORC,
all those videos will cover the entire module?
sorry, come again.
All the, ORC videos will cover the entire ORC module, or?
Yes. In the Udemy, I already published this course, recruitment module. It will be 4,000 actually for other students. For RTL students, it will be free. And it has got around, I think, 24 hours. I'm not clear. Yeah, 24 hours.
Okay.
That's about that. Tomorrow will be complete practical assignment. Tomorrow we will be discussing first, when the demo session start, detailed syllabus copy. Detailed topics we'll discuss, and we'll take one real-time assignment, and we'll do that practically. Next day after tomorrow also, we will go for detailed one assignment. I will show you practically. Okay, so that you will be clear whether you are able to understand what is HCM, what exactly our work we have to do in the project, whether you are able to do that or not. Based on that, you can take a decision and join in the course. So next 2 sessions, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, both. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, both are, is going to be complete practical. Okay. Yeah. Any other doubts now? So I will publish this video immediately in the YouTube channel. I request everyone please subscribe to this channel to get the latest updates. Okay. And here you can find the demo 1, demo 2, demo 3. All 3 you can find. Yeah.
Sir, also provide the practice instances.
Yeah, 1 year instance access we will provide. You can access 1 year.
Okay.
Server access will be provided 1 year for practice. We will be having a WhatsApp group here. Okay. So in the WhatsApp group, there will be, always discussion. I'm also the part of that. So there will be discussions from the interviewer, doubts, everything. This will be always here it is. Right? Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Daily, is it the same timings for the sessions? 7 to
Yes.
8?
Evening batch is 7 to 8. Morning is 7:30 to 8:30. Right now, morning batch is in mid. Now, evening batch is 7 to 8 o'clock. And if someone looking for morning timings, 7:30, you need to wait for another 20-25 days.
Okay.
Chandra, I have done my BTech Mechanical Engineering 2020.
Yeah.
I'm a right person for this course.
Yeah, no problem. You attend next 2 sessions. If you are able to learn or if you are able to understand whatever we are doing next 2 classes practically, yes, you can go ahead.
But after 2020, I'm not working anywhere. So
We have to claim the experience and go ahead. There are some consultancies who provide that experience. You can also get that information from our admin. Yeah, we have to put up that experience and go ahead.
there is no problem, right? There is no problem in between like employment gap, like
No
in
problem.
education.
No problem.
So okay, got it. So I have one more doubt, like how if we can put like fake experience, like what is the exact years of experience we can mention? 2 years
We
or 3
can
years?
put up to 6. If you guys are perfect my training theoretically and practically, I'll give the training around 50 to 54 hours. My videos, my training, this HCM will be 50 to 54, maybe 3-4 sessions like that. Okay. This one is the last batch we have completed, maybe 3-4. This resume preparations, 1-to-1 and all will take time, right? So if you are perfect all this, then you are equal to 6 years of person.
Okay. If I got like any opportunity, so after that I don't get any problems regarding like background verifications, like
Those
years
all
and
you
everything.
please communicate with our admin, they will clarify it.
Oh, got it. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you guys. Let's see you tomorrow, same time, same meeting ID. And you can
Thank you,
find
Yeah,
sir.
this
thanks, sir.
video here. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.